What are we doing, Teo?
We're going to do a video of planting. So here we are. Come here. Here is our house of turtles.
What?
Here's a little turtle.
What's his name?
Her name is Little Guy. Little Guy. Her name is Little Guy.
Are you sure it's not something else?
So, Elastica.
It's not Sunshine?
Sunshine. Her name is Little Sunshine. And this guy here.
Be careful.
It's Rainbow Heart.
Rainbow Heart, because he has a heart on top of his head.
Yeah. Heart on top of his head.
All right, careful. All
And
right.
here's the rocks to sit on.
And
And
water.
here's the water to swim on, take a bath. And a house.
All right, let's
And
go.
another house.
Let's go look at the plants, the mudas.
Yeah.
Oh, this is where the fish.
See? Father.
Yeah. So we're growing tilapia here. I don't know if it's saying growing. We're raising tilapia.
So,
And here is where we have our lettuces, our greens. Yeah, and here's where I sprout things. Let's show them what we have here, Teo.
we got a lot of things here.
We have blueberries, a raspberry, kale.
Did I see raspberries?
Yeah, raspberry. Let's see if there's any raspberries today.
Blueberries.
I don't see any. These ones spiky.
Let me see. Which
You
part is?
see? Spiky.
Yeah.
These are the
you
blueberries. Oh, look, there's a one that's ripe. You want it?
I'm gonna try later.
And and here we also have some native plants, native trees. So so with time, hopefully we'll get these things out there.
That's right.
Yeah, that one's ripe too. No, don't take. Are you gonna eat it?
I want to try.
All right. Take it out.
You don't have seeds, blueberries?
Oh, just eat it. You like it? It's a little sour, no?
I like it.
So this is mostly where I'm having my seeds started. And I'm probably going to be growing my greens here.
I like it a little, Dunny.
Yeah, it's good, no? Let's go show them the Agroforestry. So this is where we're reforesting, our reforestation project. So here are the trees. They're doing okay, right? Yeah, they just need more water. In this area, I pretty much planted like, say 2 months ago. So it's doing really good. So there's papayas and coffees for most of the part. And over here we have limas and oranges growing. So this is where I'm trying to do the agroforestry concept or agroforestry. So planting a lot of different species in lines. What? Yeah, we're gonna follow you. And here are my hugelkultur beds. So things are going pretty good. One of the newest things I did is I installed irrigation lines because it's been fairly dry. Here I have an avocado. Here are some native tree plants from the region. And here are the cows that we are helping raise here. This one's super sweet, right there.
She's nice, right? She's adorable. Look at her face. She is adorable. Look at her face. She was all adorable. Her face is so adorable, huh? Her face is still adorable, huh? Her face is still adorable. She likes me, right?
Yeah.
Hey, what do I eat?
So there's roughly around 25 cows here. And the cane right there is pretty much for the cows. So it's been fairly dry, not much grass. So we end up feeding them the cane. So that's what's gonna be their food for the remaining of the winter season. Hey, he's eating my tree. Don't eat the tree.
She has a number 4 on her. Here, look, she has a number 4.
Yeah, that means she got vaccinated.
She tried to lick me. Yeah, I love you too. I love you too. So now we're going to see the peacock.
So we're gonna go see if we can find a peacock. There's a couple that come by usually at night. They stay here in the night, and usually in the day they kind of take off. And they've been pretty much coming here very regularly. And we'll see if we can find them today. Sometimes they hang around here, sometimes they take off. So as I mentioned before, the newest thing I kind of put in are irrigation lines. So it's a lot of plants to water, so irrigation lines are really helping me. I have one going through here and another one going through here. It is somewhat of a mess. It's mostly because of the chickens. They just come here and they just move things around, start getting on the plants, and you know, you have to kind of work with them. They kind of bring trouble, but they also bring a lot of nutrients to the soil. So this is where this is my neighbor's house. So let's see if we can find the peacocks.
And now they're up there. Look at them. Now show them the big peacock. It's so beautiful.
So there are actually 2 females and 1 male that are hanging around here. Where's the male? The male is the one with the big feathers in the back.
Oh, look at her. She's so adorable.
And here we have the chickens.
No, that's not Coco.
Yeah, no, is it a cuckoo?
Let me see.
Looks like it. Maybe not. There he is. Come back here. Oh, he moved all the way to this side. Here he is. It's a guy. The peacock guy has the beautiful feathers.
Big tail that when they're ready to open it, they open when they're not. Close it a little.
Estranho agarrar.
Look there.
That has a trunk to be cute.
Extrair uma garapa aqui, senão.
Parece uma de carro.
Cuidado a cabeça.
Cuidado, Theo.
Parece uma de carros, né?
De moto.
Parece um de moto também.
Yeah, so this is our neighbor's little garden. Let's check it out. Look, let's walk around. See, these are passion fruits. Maracuja.
Yeah.
This right here. These are the maracuja. It's a little sour. Maybe that's why Ted doesn't like it. And then here he has his lettuce. I believe this is radish, or what is it? Yeah, I think it's radish. Some kale, more greens here. We have some peppers. Oh, his peppers are doing really good. Look. So here is also banana trees, papayas. So here I'm with Koa in our house. And this is one of the last things we were working on here. So right here we have our oven, our stove, all powered by wood. So our wood oven. Here we have our barbecue area. And this whole area just got finished a month and a half ago. So we have a sink, barbecue area, and our wooden oven and stove. So that's an update of what's been going on here at the farm. We've done a lot of progress, a lot of things still to do, a lot of things still in motion, and a lot of things to be planted. And once summer comes or spring, we'll be definitely putting in more seeds. Yeah, all in all, it's been good. All right, so until the next one, peace. And this is Dale's favorite tree, one of his favorite trees, right there. Here's where he sits down and thinks about life, right?